Even the nicest outfit can be ruined by wrinkled clothing. But who has time to iron these days? The greatest clothing steamers can help with that. These stylish portable devices are revolutionizing the way we iron our clothes by providing quick, effective wrinkle removal without the inconvenience of an ironing board. Today's steamers produce amazing results in a matter of minutes. Whether you're keeping your travel attire sharp on the go, revitalizing a delicate dress, or freshening up your professional shirt before a meeting, we've compiled the best models that make your clothing seem clean, fresh, and prepared for anything. From little portable devices to strong 2-in-1 designs that double as irons. Let's explore the top 7 clothing steamers that eliminate the need for ironing. Number 7. Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam Handheld Garment Steamer. The Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam Handheld Garment Steamer may be your new favorite if you're sick of pulling out your iron every time you notice a wrinkle. This compact gadget, which has 1,875 watts of power, is surprisingly powerful and combines the ease of steam with the strength of an iron in a stylish handheld design. You can begin smoothing out wrinkles almost immediately because it heats up in just 40 seconds, making it ideal for last-minute wardrobe issues. Up to 20 minutes of continuous steam may be produced by the 7.3-ounce water tank, which is sufficient to rejuvenate several items of clothing as well as your upholstery and drapes. It seems like you're using a little iron thanks to the built-in creaser and quilted aluminum steamer plate, which gives clothes a clean, freshly ironed appearance. A creative addition is the 3-in-1 attachment system, which has a bristle brush to assist steam penetration of bulkier materials like denim or upholstery, a silicone band to keep fabrics taut, and a delicate spacer to preserve fragile materials. On the plus side, it's portable, strong, and simple to use, making it ideal for travel or at home. You'll adore how it revitalizes textiles without requiring you to use an ironing board. The one small drawback: longer steaming sessions may require refilling the water tank because it is a portable device. Nevertheless, the Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam stands out as one of the most dependable and practical fabric steamers available for speedy touch-ups and simple wrinkle removal. Number 6. Rowenta Pure Force 2-in-1 Handheld Steamer. Anyone who desires wrinkle-free clothing without having to transfer between heavy appliances can use the Rowenta Pure Force 2-in-1 handheld steamer and iron. This ingenious gadget combines the strength of a conventional iron with the portability of a handheld steamer into a single, lightweight design. With 1,875 watts of power, it heats up fast and produces steady steam that eliminates even the most stubborn creases. Its 2-in-1 capability, which enables you to use it both vertically and horizontally, is one of its most notable characteristics. It's ideal for refreshing hanging garments, draperies, or even your bedding. The operation is completed more quickly and effectively due to the extra-large sole plate and powerful steam output. The 5 steam settings let you customize the steam strength for a variety of textiles, from thick cotton to delicate silk. For brief touch-ups, the 7.1-ounce water tank's 12-minute continuous steam output is perfect. The 8.5-foot cable provides ample reach without feeling constrained, and its lightweight construction makes it comfortable to use. Its auto shutoff feature, which prevents overheating and gives peace of mind while in use, is another example of how safety hasn't been neglected. The Rowenta Pure Force's quickness, adaptability, and convenience make up for its small water tank and the fact that 12 minutes might not be enough to finish a large batch of washing. It's ideal for people who desire professional-looking outcomes with no work, travel, or hectic mornings. Number 5. HiLIFE Portable Handheld Steamer. One of those devices that really simplifies your daily routine is the HiLIFE Portable Handheld Steamer, particularly if you're always battling persistent wrinkles. With 700 watts of power, it generates a constant stream of soft but effective steam that works wonders on a variety of textiles, from heavy cotton and wool to delicate silk and chiffon. It weighs just under 2 pounds and is small enough to fit into your carry-on or suitcase without taking up much room, making it easy to use and travel ready. Its 240 milliliter water tank, which offers about 15 minutes of continuous steam, enough for a few full outfits or quick touch-ups, is one of its strengths. You don't have to be connected to an outlet when steaming, thanks to the 9-foot power cord, which allows you to walk around easily. Additionally, it includes an easy-to-attach brush accessory that is ideal for eliminating light dust or lint and assisting the steam in penetrating thicker textiles. Positively, this steamer's simplicity and lightweight design make it perfect for use at home or on the go. Without the trouble of setting up an ironing board, it keeps your clothing looking tidy by swiftly heating up and refreshing it. There are a few things to be aware of, though. You must refrain from adding oils or fragrances to the tank, and it is only compatible with 110 to 120 volt outlets, making it unsuitable for usage abroad. Nevertheless, the HiLIFE steamer is a useful daily necessity for a little hassle-free steamer that produces good results. Number 4. OGHom Handheld Clothes Steamer. Keeping your clothing wrinkle-free is made easier with the OGHom Handheld Clothing Steamer. a small but surprisingly effective device. It uses 700 watts of electricity to provide a constant, penetrating steam that eliminates wrinkles in a matter of minutes. Its 240-milliliter water tank allows you to steam continuously for up to 15 minutes, which is plenty for a couple of full outfits or fast refreshes before refilling. The 304 stainless steel heating panel, which differs from the conventional aluminum ones, is one of its outstanding characteristics. This guarantees steady steam performance over time and increases its durability and resistance to oxidation and rust. Even for vertical steaming on hanging clothes, curtains, or upholstery, its lightweight, portable design and 9-foot power cord provide you plenty of mobility while steaming. Additionally, it is safe to use on a range of materials, including cotton, wool, silk, and chiffon. Positively, the OGHom steamer is a fantastic option for both home and vacation use because it is lightweight, dependable, and incredibly user-friendly. Without the need for an ironing board, it quickly warms up and efficiently removes creases. The sole disadvantage is that it can only be used with 110 to 120 volt outlets, making it unsuitable for usage in areas with higher voltage systems. However, the OGHom steamer provides the ideal balance of performance, ease of use, and long-term dependability for fast touch-ups and simple clothes care. Number 3. YOZLNFO 2-in-1 Mini Travel Steamer. No matter where you are, you can have wrinkle-free clothes thanks to the YOZLNFO 2-in-1 Mini Travel Steamer and Iron, a small yet powerful device. Designed with travelers in mind, it weighs less than 2 pounds and is roughly the size of a water bottle, making it easy to put into any bag or backpack. Whether you're hanging clothes or steaming them flat on a surface, the revolving steam head gives you versatility and saves space. With 5 adjustable settings to handle a variety of textiles, from delicate silks and lace to robust denim and cotton, this steamer may be used as both an iron and a garment steamer. You can quickly and effectively iron wrinkles because it heats up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in steam mode and 320 for dry ironing in just 15 seconds. The anti-drip design keeps your garments clean and free of water stains, while the wide ceramic heating panel guarantees even heat distribution. The LED display makes it simple to change and keep an eye on settings, and the 110 milliliter water tank can deliver up to 10 minutes of continuous steam, enough for 3 to 5 outfits. With a heat-resistant base and a convenient one-handed operation, it is also designed with safety in mind. Positively, it's lightweight, adaptable, and ideal for travel or fast touch-ups at home. The main drawback is that you'll need an adapter overseas because it's only compatible with 110 to 120 volt countries. Nevertheless, the YOZLNFO consistently produces smooth results for a stylish, quick heating, and dependable travel steamer. Number 2. GANIBAY 1800-watt handheld clothes steamer. Anyone who desires clean, wrinkle-free clothes without the trouble of setting up an ironing board can use the GANIBAY 1800-watt handheld clothes steamer. It quickly removes creases from everything from delicate fabrics to heavier materials like cotton and wool thanks to its powerful 1800-watt motor, which heats up in only 30 seconds and releases a strong, consistent stream of steam. Its 3 adjustable steam settings, gentle for silks, medium for everyday wear, and forceful for thick garments, give you complete control according to the type of cloth, making them one of its best features. It is as useful for curtains or upholstery as it is for clothing because of its 360-degree leak-proof construction, which allows you to use it both vertically and horizontally without worrying about spills or drips. The lock switch enables continuous steam without holding down the trigger, and the ergonomic grip and one-button control make it extremely easy to operate. With each refill, its 380-milliliter water tank can provide up to 25 minutes of continuous steam, which is sufficient to replenish around 10 items of clothing. The detachable design makes it simple to pack for vacation or store at home, and the 9.8-foot power cable allows you plenty of mobility. Positively, this steamer is strong, adaptable, and practical, making it perfect for thorough de-wrinkling sessions as well as short touch-ups. Its size is the only small drawback. Compared to compact portable steamers, it is a little bigger. However, in terms of functionality and usability, the GANIBAY steamer is a reliable all-rounder that produces results that seem professional. Number 1. Jack & Rose Travel Steamer. The Jack & Rose Travel Steamer and Iron is the kind of device that makes you question how you were able to travel without it. Thanks to its 100 to 220 volt dual voltage system, this little 2-in-1 steamer and iron is suitable for both jet setters and regular users. No converter drama is required. You can plug it in and have wrinkle-free clothing in a matter of seconds, whether you're in the US, Europe, or Asia. About the size of a water bottle, it is remarkably light and portable, making it simple to include in your luggage. Despite its diminutive size, it has 1,000 watts of power heats up in just 15 seconds, and blasts wrinkles away with steam that can reach 248 degrees Fahrenheit. For crisp collars or creases in pants, the huge ceramic heat panel can also be used as a dry iron. The 7.2-foot rope provides you plenty of reach when you're on the go, and you can use it flat on a surface or vertically to hang items. Its speed and versatility are fantastic. It smooths everything from silk to denim with ease. Particularly for forgetful travelers, the automated shutoff option gives peace of mind. However, its 5-ounce water tank only lasts roughly 10 minutes, so it's more suitable for short touch-ups than large loads of washing. All things considered, the Jack and Rose steamer is a clever, portable device that produces results that appear professional wherever you go. It is compact, quick, and very practical. And there you have it, the greatest clothing steamers that eliminate wrinkles. Convenience, power, and perfect results are all at your fingertips with these steamers. Whether you're at home, in a hotel, or dashing out the door, each one demonstrates that you don't need an ironing board to look clean and professional. From the travel-ready Jack and Rose to the powerful GANIBAY and incredibly portable HiLIFE. So welcome to effortless styling and bid adieu to obstinate creases. Which of these steamers are you going to incorporate into your daily routine? Tell us in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Legit Pick for more frank evaluations and the top choices to simplify your life.